Hey, what's up guys? It's Asher from Custom Paintball Markers. We're going to go ahead and test out this G36KV codename Hunter Killer that's available on the website currently. It has a lock bolt installed and the custom handguard. We're going to go ahead and air it up. This does require a remote line adapter to use it. So I'm using the quick disconnect. That's the lock bolt you hear. That's in semi-auto. Switch it into full. Gonna go ahead and put this back. Last mag. And that is the marker. Here it is. Works on semi and full auto. Does not come with the scope. With the custom handguard, the breacher, muzzle brake, and the air through stock. This marker is built for battle and it's ready to go. So go ahead and purchase it on our website at custompaintballmarkers.com and check us out on Instagram at Custom Paintball Markers. And don't forget, we're always built for battle.